I sure am hungry right now. But wait, I don't like meat because I like to save the planet. Let's see if my lovely cafeteria will accommodate me for this. Oh my gosh! Instead of the Philly cheesesteak, I'd much rather get the roasted veggie wrap. Especially since I can have roasted Brussels sprouts and steamed broccoli.
That sure was a good roasted veggie wrap. But instead of throwing this single-use fork away, I'm going to put it in my pocket for tomorrow. That's how you save the planet.
So most people, when they decide they're due to laundry, they make it a little bit smaller, maybe not put so much stuff in it. But me, I make sure my load is either full or I don't do it at all because I care about the planet. Thank you.
There are so many cars on the road right now. And you know what all those cars are using? Or most of them at least? Gas. Take this Jeep for instance. It has a very low miles per gallon, right? It takes a lot of fossil fuels to make that run. Instead of that, I care about the environment, so I run to and from school every day.